The political activist Jealousy Mawarire is accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa of using his unannounced visits to public hospitals as a smokescreen to justify an alleged corrupt multi-million-dollar medical equipment deal involving a South African company. Sanabina mashoko kuda panguva ino vana Mawarire vachiexposa aiwa the visit yakaitwa nemutungamiri wenyika vachinzi aiwa it is just a cover yema-million-dollar contracts avari kuda kuoffer kuSouth Africa nobva subscribe hola icon on the bell icon. Tipina munomu kudanyi kwamuchinzi President Mnangagwa on Monday made surprise inspections at Parenyatwa group of hospitals and Salimugabe Central Hospitals, with the state media reporting that the visits were meant to help the president gain a clear understanding of the challenges facing the country's public health institutions. But Mawarire, a long-time critic of ZANU-PF-led administration, dismissed the visits as a public relations stunt designed to legitimize what he claims is a murky $439 million contract with the TTM Global Medical Exports, which was allegedly signed without going to tender. In quotes, "We didn't visit the hospital to gain a clear understanding of anything," Mawarire said in a scathing statement posted on X. "We visited in order to justify, as usual, the monetization of our problems." The outspoken activist further alleged that Mnangagwa's office has already approved a dubious scheme spearheaded by what he described as the presidency obese proxy, whom he claims is pushing a controversial presidential scheme for the provision of cancer treatment equipment. Mawarire also questioned the use of public funds collected through the recently introduced sugar tax, suggesting that the levy is now being abused to finance the OPEC deal. Zvichapera hazvo manje, he wrote, a Shona phrase meaning this will come to an end. While the government has yet to respond to the allegations, the claims have sparked renewed scrutiny over transparency in government, procurement and management of public health resources in a country battling economic collapse and a crumbling healthcare systems. It is confirmed the alleged no tender deal with the TTM Global could further tarnish Mnangagwa's administration, which has previously faced accusations of mismanaging COVID-19 funds and other healthcare related tenders. Thomas Kwarkuya panguva ine Mawarire aiwa achibhomora maplans emutungamiri wenyika achiexposa deal riripo neTTM company iri kuSouth Africa panguva inoi yava offer a contract kuti vavape tender yekuti vainstallere cancer treatment machinery munyika yeZimbabwe. Tiudze mafuro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu mafuro enyu, subscribe.